There are 7 stocks that are anticipated to ride the current trend of artificial intelligence investments. As investors, we need to pay close attention to this technology because it is shaping up to be a significant growth driver in the stock market. Companies that are leading this AI revolution include CrowdStrike. Boom for the next 10 years. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is revolutionizing industries across the board. From healthcare to transportation, no sector remains untouched. Networks offered by NVIDIA, UiPath, Arista Network, Amazon, Palantir, and Microsoft. Let's dive into the top 7 AI stocks for 2024. CrowdStrike. Starting with CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity titan. Using AI to revolutionize the industry, CrowdStrike, a name synonymous with cybersecurity, is no stranger to the power of artificial intelligence. Their business model is built around the ingenious use of AI to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, a critical need in this digital age. This unique approach has not only made them a leader in the cybersecurity space, but also a valuable player in the AI industry. Now let's talk numbers. Over the past few years, CrowdStrike stock performance has been nothing short of impressive, with a steady upward trend. It's clear that investors recognize the potential this cybersecurity titan holds. And it's not just about the present. The future looks promising too, as AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated. So does CrowdStrike's potential to leverage it for advanced cybersecurity solutions. But it's not all about the numbers. CrowdStrike's commitment to innovation and their relentless pursuit of excellence is what sets them apart. They're not just riding the AI wave, they're shaping it, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and cybersecurity. So if you're looking for a sturdy ship to sail the turbulent seas of the AI market, CrowdStrike might be your best bet. Their strong business model, impressive stock performance, and commitment to innovation make them a compelling choice for any savvy investor. Clearly, CrowdStrike is a strong contender in the AI space. NVIDIA. Next up is NVIDIA, the powerhouse behind AI computing, known worldwide for its graphics processing units or GPUs. NVIDIA has firmly established itself as a pioneer in the field of artificial intelligence. Their graphics processing units, GPUs, are essential resources that enable AI software, which makes NVIDIA an essential participant in the boom of AI. The unrelenting pursuit of innovation is what sets NVIDIA apart from its competitors. The firm is constantly pushing the limits of what is possible, inventing groundbreaking technology that is transforming the way we think about artificial intelligence in a variety of contexts, from self-driving vehicles to smart cities. The technology developed by NVIDIA is at the forefront of some of the most intriguing advances in artificial intelligence, and its stock performance reflects this. With consistent growth over the years, NVIDIA has proven to be a formidable competitor. NVIDIA's stock has shown that it is resilient and has the potential to attract the attention of investors all over the world. However, what lies ahead for NVIDIA as we look to the future? It is evident that NVIDIA's innovative approach to artificial intelligence will continue to be the driving force behind its success. The company is dedicated to investigating new potential in artificial intelligence in order to ensure that it continues to be at the forefront of the industry. NVIDIA's involvement in this revolution will only become more critical with its pioneering technology and robust stock performance as artificial intelligence continues to impact our world. The cutting edge of this rapidly evolving area: UiPath, Arista Networks, and Amazon. Moving on to UiPath, Arista Networks, and Amazon, 3 different firms with one common thread. NVIDIA is well positioned to ride the wave of the artificial intelligence boom in the years to come. NVIDIA's innovative approach to AI makes it a potential stock for the future. UiPath, a company that has been making waves in the field of robotic process automation, is the first firm that we will discuss. UiPath is utilizing artificial intelligence to automate routine jobs and processes in enterprises, so freeing up important human time and resources. This is an extremely persuasive argument, particularly in a society in which effectiveness is the king. The stock of UiPath has been steadily increasing over the course of the past year, and with a robust product suite and a growing customer base, the future appears to be bright for this revolutionary artificial intelligence company. Next, let's discuss Arista Networks. The application of artificial intelligence is what sets Arista distinct from its competitors in the networking industry. Arista is a market leader in the provision of cutting-edge cloud networking solutions to a diverse variety of industries. Through the utilization of artificial intelligence, Arista's cognitive cloud networking method streamlines network operations while also improving network security. Amazon is a firm that requires little introduction, and the stock has been performing well recently. With the growing need for cloud solutions and the unique value proposition of artificial intelligence, Arista Networks is well positioned for growth. Additionally, we have Amazon, which is a corporation that needs little introduction. Amazon is a powerhouse in the world of e-commerce. But what you might not realize is that artificial intelligence plays a significant role in the company's success. This includes everything from the optimization of its supply chain to the creation of personalized suggestions. AI is utilized by Amazon in a wide variety of ways to maintain its lead over its rivals. Palantir and Microsoft are two tech giants that are betting big on artificial intelligence. Let's begin with Palantir, a company that has been making waves with its sophisticated data analytics software. Amazon stock has been on a consistent upward trajectory for years, and with its ongoing AI initiatives, it is poised to continue its dominance in the future. These three stocks show the vast range of industries that artificial intelligence technology is disrupting. Palan's AI-driven platforms, Gotham and Foundry, are designed to handle massive amounts of data, make sense of complex patterns, and provide actionable insights. This has made them valuable tools for both government agencies and corporations alike. In 2023, Palan's stock rose by an astounding 30%. The company's continued innovation in artificial intelligence, there is plenty of... Now, let's take a look at Microsoft, a household name in the technology industry. Artificial intelligence has been included into Microsoft's goods and services for many years, beginning with and continuing Office Suite. The artificial intelligence AI effort. IVES has been paying off handsomely for Microsoft, as seen by a 25% gain in stock value over the course of the past year. AI is an essential component of Microsoft's overall strategy. Both Palantir and Microsoft have proved the ability to harness artificial intelligence in their operations, demonstrating amazing outcomes. Furthermore, Microsoft's dedication to artificial intelligence research and development, in conjunction with its already massive technical empire, puts it as a powerful contender in the race for artificial intelligence. By continuing to invest in artificial intelligence technology, they are demonstrating a strong belief in the revolutionary power of AI, as well as its ability to generate ongoing growth. The landscape of artificial intelligence stocks in 2024 is dynamic and promising. As we navigate this evolving market, companies like CrowdStrike, NVIDIA, UiPath, Arista Networks, Amazon, Palantir, and Microsoft stand out for their innovation and potential growth. To seize the opportunities presented by AI investments, consider exploring these stocks further and stay informed about emerging trends. Make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve in the exciting world of artificial intelligence investments. Start your journey today towards AI-driven success.